Looking for cleaner, healthier air at home or in the office? The right air purifier can remove dust, allergens, smoke, pet dander, and even harmful pollutants, creating a safer and more comfortable environment. In this guide, we've rounded up the best air purifiers to suit different needs, spaces, and budgets. Number 1. Hathaspace Smart Filter Air Purifier. For your consideration, allow me to present the Hathaspace Smart Air Purifier. Pollutants like dust mite, pollen, mold spores, and pet dander as small as 0.3 microns are easily trapped in the 5. In one true HEPA filter, you can breathe easier, knowing that the air in your living space is cleaner. This handy machine can help alleviate mild allergy symptoms such as coughing and irritation to the eyes. Further, the cleanser and odor eliminator feature a cellular-activated carbon filter to absorb unpleasant odors such as cigarette smoke, cooking smells, and other bad odors, which can be stubborn. This air purifier is suitable for pet owners, coming with a smart air quality sensor to measure air quality and adjust the inner components as required and display the level on the screen. Number 2. Levoit Vital 100 Air Purifier. Are you really surprised to see the giants of air purification make another appearance on this list? Pet owners rejoice. Pet fur, hair, and lint is captured by Levoit's allergy-focused Vital 100 Air Purifier. It uses a true HEPA-activated carbon filter to absorb odors from pets, cooking, and cigarette smoke, capturing up to 99.97% of airborne pollutants. Air purification is rather quick, cleaning rooms as large as 500 square feet in 30 minutes, so this would be ideally placed in a living room or a bedroom. For maximum efficiency, consider using it in a smaller room of about 300 square feet. It has a sweet, compact, and efficient design that effectively traps airborne particles, including germs and pollen, with no fuss. The filter will need to be changed regularly to prolong life and efficiency. Sound will be a minimal issue as it runs as about 23 dB, which is relatively quiet, although the higher settings might be louder. Number 3. NuWave OxyPure Air Purifier. The best air purifier for homes is the NuWave OxyPure. This premium model's main selling point is its multi-stage filtration system, which uses washable and reusable filters to cut down on recurring costs. This system comprises a stainless steel mesh pre-filter for larger debris, 2 BioGuard filters for mold, viruses, and bacteria, an ozone filter, and a HEPA/pellet-type activated carbon filter. Except for the HEPA/activated carbon filter, which needs yearly replacement, all parts have a 20-year lifespan, only requiring a wash every couple of months. In terms of actual air purification performance, the NuWave is very good overall, with strong particle filtration across the board and an impressively high clean air delivery rate. It has built-in particle sensors, so it can monitor and change fan speed according to ambient air quality. This air purifier has Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to operate it remotely using the NuWave Connect companion app while you're away from home. You can also use the app to check the quality of your home's air, set operating schedules, or change the device's settings. This air purifier operates pretty quietly at lower fan speeds, which is ideal for overnight operation, but it can get somewhat loud at higher fan speeds. If noise is a concern, check out the Dyson Purifier Big Plus Quiet Formaldehyde BP0 4/BP03, but be aware that it falls short of the NuWave in clean air delivery rate. Number 4. Levoit Vital 200S Air Purifier. The Levoit Vital 200S is the best air purifier we've tested at a mid-range price point. Its filtration system is simpler than the NuWave OxyPures, with no extra BioGuard or ozone filters, and it can't match the clean air delivery rate or particle filtration performance of the NuWave's more premium offering. However, it still has the goods where it counts, ranking among the best models we've tested. It's powerful enough to provide clean air for small, to medium-sized rooms. While its main filter isn't HEPA-rated, it still does a fantastic job of locking in fine particles like pollen or pet dander. Like the NuWave, you can also connect this device to a home Wi-Fi network, allowing for remote operation and live monitoring of your room's ambient air quality. If you want the added peace of mind that comes with a HEPA-rated unit, the Wynix 5500-2 is an excellent alternative that provides similar performance. Notably, the Wynix is also equipped with a particle ionizer. Particle ionizers cause smaller airborne particles to clump together and fall to the ground, where you can clean them up later. The problem is that they also produce ozone as a byproduct, which can irritate your lungs with prolonged exposure. That said, you can always turn off the ionizer. The Wynix isn't Wi-Fi enabled, so you can't operate it while you're away from home. Number 5. Levoit Core 200S Air Purifier. If you want to spend as little as possible and only need something for a smaller room, the Levoit Core 200S is the best budget air purifier we've tested. This device is small enough to fit on a dresser or shelf, yet delivers relatively impressive overall filtration. It lags behind larger machines like the Levoit Vital 200S, with a considerably lower air cleaning rate and worse overall performance when sealing in the smallest airborne particles. However, it's still far from terrible in the latter regard. You'll have to replace its main filter more often than the Vital 200S as well, at an interval of 6 to 8 months instead of a year. While the 200S lacks an automatic fan speed adjustment setting, it's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can pair it with your smartphone via the VE-Sync companion app to operate the device remotely, set operating schedules, or set filter replacement notifications.